Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a wig review from Beauty Forever Hair. I'm showing you guys what they sent over in the packaging. This is the 5x5 HD Blendaway Lace Yaki straight wig. That is a mouthful, but as you can see, it is beautiful, straight out of the pack. And I'm showing you guys what the hairline looks like. It's already pre-plucked, and then the lace and everything is already pre-bleached, and it already is looking like scalp. So I'm going to show you guys the construction of the wig. It's 5x5 lace, and you can tell that it's already pre-bleached right there. And then you have an adjustable strap. This is great for if you want to wear your wig glueless, because you can just make it as tight as you need to. And then you have a clip in the back as well. So I'm going to start by adding my foundation to my lace area so that it can match my skin perfectly. This wig has HD lace, which is ultra thin, which makes it ideal for tinting your lace to match your skin tones. Okay, now I'm going to adjust the strap and make it a little bit tighter, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on my head. Now I'm just going to cut like some long layers. I always like part it at my ear area, all that hair that falls in the front of my ear area, and then I'm just going to go in a downward motion. I kind of start a little bit below my chin, well, kind of like in my neck area, because I don't want it to be too high, and that just gives a nice little face framing. Now I'm adding a wax stick, like I put in the wax stick in the palm of my hands. That's like my new technique, and then I'm just smoothing it down to help smooth that top part down. And then I'm going to go in with my hot comb so that I can smooth that middle part down as well. So this hair pretty much came straight when I got it. I am going over with my flat iron in big sections because it was already pretty much straight, so I really didn't have to do anything but get any, like, you know, little crinkles out here and there from it being in the package, but it was pretty straight, so I didn't spend too much time having to straighten it, which is perfect. So I'm just going through with my flat iron all around and straightening the hair. Okay, y'all, I'm all done straightening my hair. As you can see, this texture is bomb. The Yaki texture luster is so pretty. It has like this beautiful shine to it. You can see how much body it has after it's straightened. It just looks so like sleek, super cute. This is an up close of what the hairline looks like. The lace, like I said, the HD lace is ultra thin, so it just makes it look super natural. And of course, I am wearing it glueless. This is what the back looks like. So pretty and long and just luxurious. So another thing that I like about this wig, it has like that little ear contour area, which I like because that just makes it super comfortable when you're wearing the wig. But anyway, I did go and cut a couple more like layers around the hair, like on the sides and stuff, because I decided that I wanted to add some curls to it, and curls just they fall a little bit better whenever you add a little bit more layers. So I'm just going through and I am curling my hair towards the back. I'm starting from the bottom and working my way up to the top on both sides, and I'm just curling my hair from the back. This hair does take heat nicely. I think I have my curling iron on, I usually have my stuff on the highest the highest temperature. I think it was like 450 maybe. Let me check. Yeah, it was on 450, so it was at the highest, and it does curl nicely and it does take heat, as you can see. So I'm done with one side of my hair, and I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of hairspray to make sure those curls stay intact. And then we're gonna go ahead and do the other side. Okay, this is what the hair looks like once I am done with it and it's all curled. Super cute, but of course we're going to run our fingers through the curls so that, you know, it won't look like so uniform like it looks. So I'm just running my fingers through it because I want it to have like a more natural, effortless curl look. I don't want it to look like I tried too hard. So I'm just going to do that and finger detangle. So this is what the curls look like after I do that. You can definitely switch up your look. It's super easy to change it. Now we're going to do a style. We're going to do like a half up, half down, but we're going to braid it. So I'm just pulling a little piece. I'm leaving my little bang piece in the front, and I'm going to have that hanging, and then on both sides I'm gonna pull a piece out and I'm going to braid that. So you can just, you know, wear it down, have like a little boho look like this, or you can pin it up, which I am about to do. I'm just gonna pin both pieces to the back so that can be like a little updo style, and that is super cute as well. This wig is very versatile, so you can do different styles with it, of course. So I definitely recommend it, and I absolutely love Yaki texture. That's like my texture because it just looks super natural. And yeah, if you guys like this wig or any other wig from Beauty Forever Hair, I will have all links down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.